Hi everybody, it's Irene at Lifestyle Over 60. Today we're styling sweatpants. You can look chic in sweatpants, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Coming up. Well, I don't know about you, but ever since the pandemic, I've only been wearing sweatpants almost every day. You know, my lifestyle is such that even when I'm doing my videos for you guys, you can see me only from like here up, right? I have sweatpants on now. So, yeah, and I don't want to change it. So I have found ways to wear them that I think look really good, and I'm going to share them with you now. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the sweatpants that I have. And you know, when we say sweatpants, they can be all different things, and I'm going to show you what I mean. All right, so the first pair that I'm going to be showing you on me and in different outfits are these I got from Target. So they have a white stripe down the side, and otherwise they are black. And so they give you color blocking, which I don't know if you're aware of it yet, but it's a very slimming, like this swimsuit or this dress, where your eye will see the black part and kind of erases the white, which makes you look thinner. So in a sweatpant like this, where the white is on the side, it kind of erases the side of your hips a little bit, and your eye just sees the black. So they're somewhat slimming, and they do not have pockets, which add bulk. So they're not, even though they're a heavier knit, they're not super, I don't think they add a lot of weight to my frame. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, and I will link everything that I can below, you know, anything that is available. When I found these, I found them in the store at Target, and they had 3 pair. I bought all 3, and I couldn't find them online again for you guys, but I will try before I post this video and let you know what I find. And if I can't find these exact, I'll get you something similar. These are 64% cotton and 25% recycled polyester and 11% recycled cotton. And they're machine wash, super comfortable. I've worn them a lot. I've washed them many times. They're holding up well. And I just like the white stripe. I think it gives it some style. Next up on me, we have these from Free Assembly that I got from Walmart online. And again, I will link them if I can. They are like a cargo pant. They have the little side pockets down the leg, and they are a straight leg. So, you know, as you'll see them on, they pass for pants in my estimation. They are an elastic waist. But you don't see the waist unless you're, you know, wearing something tucked in. So they're Free Assembly, and their construction, 68% cotton, 32% recycled polyester. So largely a cotton, but it's a cotton poly blend, but it feels cottony. These feel cottony to me. So they come in different colors, and I will link them as I say if I can. Okay, and the last pair of sweatpants I'm going to show you on me are made by Willit, W-I-L-L-I-T. Got them on Amazon. These for sure I can link for you. They come in lots of different colors. They are a drawstring. They have a little pocket in the back, one pocket. They have side pockets. And I believe that this is 100% cotton. Let me just confirm that. Here, no, 92% cotton and 8% spandex. So mostly cotton. I sized up to a large, it's more comfortable for me, but I wear these all the time. And again, they're straight legs, so they can pass as pants. They are pretty casual, but they work for me. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little trip into sweatpant outfit land and hope it gave you some inspiration. They're going to have to pry my sweatpants out of my cold, dead hands. I wear them all the time and they're just comfortable, you know. It's probably the most comfortable thing you can wear. So how fun to be able to wear them out into the world and not look bad and even look kind of chic, right? So anyway, tell me in the comments, do you wear sweatpants out in the world or only around the house? And did this video give you ideas? Let me know in the comments and come and see me again really soon.